Sammy Lou here today in the McCall's kitchen. Easter's around the corner, so I thought I would show you guys a fun, quick Easter treat that you can do on your own or with your kids. Super easy. So we're gonna make some Easter bark. Super fun and colorful, using some of the McCall's chocolates and sprinkles in their chocolate colors. So go ahead, come and get ready and join me. Let's get started. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna temper our white chocolate. These are not candy melts. If you have candy melts or you prefer to use candy melts, that's totally fine. I just prefer the flavor of the real chocolate. If you don't know what tempering chocolate is or how to do it, we do have a previous video, so just take a peek and you can see how we do it. So that's what I'm gonna do first, is I'm gonna temper a bunch of my chocolate, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna come back here and we're gonna color it. Okay, so I melted my chocolate again. You guys can see all the details on a previous video on how to temper chocolate. But just while I'm here, I just thought I'd tell you, you should probably get a thermometer because it really helps. I usually get my white chocolate to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I seed. So if you don't know what seeding is, again, take a look at the old video. Don't forget to subscribe, because if you want little tips like this in the future, that's the best way to get them. So subscribe, and lots of information coming your way. So I'm just gonna seed my chocolate. And then once we're done seeding and it's all melted, then we will be ready to make our bark. So I am pretty much done seeding. There's just a few little nibs here that have to melt down. It's about 85 degrees and I'm happy. It's easy to work with at 85, and it's definitely gonna have that nice snap once it sets. Now that I am done mixing, I am going to put some of my white chocolate in a smaller bowl, because I'm gonna color it. It's really important too, guys, do not use regular food colorings. You need to use like a candy color. It's oil-based. If you use something like a gel or water-based, it's gonna split your chocolate and it's gonna be nasty and you can't fix it, okay? So I'm just eyeballing this, putting a little bit of my chocolate into these little bowls. So I've got some color, and I've got my tempered big bowl of chocolate. Moving quickly because I don't want it to set. Got my parchment paper, and I am going to just dollop random blobs of chocolate all over my parchment paper. Sprinkles, some crisp pearls. These are white chocolate crisp pearls. Just gives it a little bit of a crunch. If you haven't tried them before, you need to. They are a game changer. Okay, see, easy peasy. Now that I've got some stuff on it, I'm just going to put some very quick lines. You don't have to do this. You can just take your bark once it's set and just smash it against the counter and it'll break into pieces, but I just like a clean line. So I'm just gonna run my knife, just do different designs. So then that way when it sets, it breaks apart easily. So I'm just gonna put this aside. Like I said, you're looking for it to completely set, meaning when you pick it up, you need to snap. If you don't hear the snap, then that means either one, it hasn't set long enough, or two, you didn't temper it properly, okay? So I'm just gonna put this aside, and once it's set, I'm gonna finish the last touches of our decorations. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Chocolate has set, and I know because when I break it, I'm gonna be quiet, so you can hear the snap. Hopefully you hear it. Ah, I know you heard that, okay. That's how you know that you tempered it correctly and that it's been set. I like my bark to snap. If it's mushy, ew. And it also doesn't store very well. So it's nice and set. We are going to finish decorating. I've decided that I'm going to splatter a whole bunch of colors all over it and then add gold on it because I put gold on every single thing. If you've seen all the other videos, I put it on everything. So let's do the color first. I have just a tiny little bit of vodka, guys. See, look up close. Really small little bit of vodka because I don't need much. Like I said, I'm just splattering color to make it a little bit more interesting. And I'm going to use 4 different colors. I have violet, yellow, pink, blue. Fun Easter colors. Okay, I'm happy with the splatters. Before I clean up this mess, just going to add some gold. You can use loose transfer, just pick it up and gently lay it on your chocolate, or you can use a transfer sheet. It's already kind of peeling back, which is going to make my life much easier if I can just take it up and put it down. We're going to use some diamond dust. This comes in colors, but I'm going to use just the regular white one. And again, I'm just going to let this set so that the colors can dry up a bit, and then we're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this bark recipe. Super easy, right? Like I said, if you don't want to temper your chocolate, totally fine. Just grab some candy melts. They're available on the McCall's website as well. Or you can just get your regular white chocolate like what I've used, because I honestly think it tastes a lot better. You can grab that as well on mccalls.ca. Don't forget, guys, if you decide to make an Easter bark inspired by this, please tag us. Our hashtag #LoveMcCalls. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe, the button below, and also follow on Instagram as well. And obviously, like, have fun with it. I just threw some sprinkles and some gold and some splatters, but you can be a bit more meticulous or use different colors, or instead of making your bark white, make it pink. So do whatever you'd like. We'd love to see what you come up with, guys. Happy Easter.